should do a theme song for every video. It's fun. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I do reviews and other tech related content. Now, I like to have fun here and enjoy myself, and I want you to as well. So today, things are about to get a little loud. That's right, we're taking a look at another Bluetooth speaker. Why? Well, because I love music and giving back to you guys. Now, we haven't done a giveaway in a while, so cue that motherfucking intro.
Ain't no way you breaking me, kid. I'm harder than nails. Plus, I keep it on lock like I'm part of the jail. I'm slaughtering stale.
What's good, people? I'm Yeti Machete. Teching ain't easy. I'm here to help. Now, I know you guys wanted to see the best tech of May video, and trust me, I wanted to put it out. But you guys, I found something really cool on Amazon last night that I know y'all are gonna really dig. But the video is coming soon. Now, about that giveaway, we're gonna do things a bit different for it. Obviously, make sure you are subscribed and like the video, and in the comments, go ahead and try to guess my favorite number. Hint, it's between 1 and 30. Now, let's check out this little guy. While the Sbode Bluetooth speaker doesn't necessarily stand out amongst the competition in terms of design, I still am really digging the stealthy, rugged look here. The entire speaker is blacked out with the exception of the 2 bass ports found on either end. Now, I'm also digging the material choices here as well. The majority of the speaker is nylon wrapped, with the rest being the soft rubber-like material that can be seen around the edges and on the buttons. Love the way the buttons look like they're almost floating. Now, from the look of the speaker, I mean, you can just tell this thing was designed to be used outside, and when you are outside, you don't have to worry about rain or a bit of water getting on this speaker because you're getting IPX6 here with this. Now, you're also getting an FM radio built in, microphone for taking calls. Now, the microphone was decent. I mean, everyone could hear me just fine, albeit a bit echoey though. Now, as far as ports go, we got a micro SD card slot, aux in, and micro USB port. Now, why? Why are we still using micro USB halfway through 2018? I just don't get it. Possibly one of the coolest features here, though, that I haven't seen before is when you get 2. That's when things get really cool, man. The speaker will pair up with the second one, allowing for true wireless sound. Place one on either end of the desk and bam. Alright, so battery life from this little guy has, well, been pretty fantastic. I've been getting close to about 8 hours of music playback with around a 3-hour charge time from dead. Now, before I go ahead and give you my opinions on how I think it sounds, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys take a listen real quick.
About that life, I ain't never ran from it. Hey.
Automatic like all I make is hits. I ain't out here making tracks. Even if I do my worst, bet that shit would be a smash. About to hit them with the words. Tell them that I got the gas. Young buddy from the birds. About to jog these bitches mad. I got screwed like eating a grapefruit. Yo, bitch, swallow my whole dick. That's just that brain food.
Sounds damn good, man. Vocals, nice, clear, and full. Now, I will say I am a bass head. This speaker does leave me craving a bit more bass. Now, don't get me wrong here, fellas. The bass is there. It's just not as punchy as I would have liked. But that's just me, in my opinion. I mean, the speaker itself has a 5-star rating on Amazon from over 60 people, all saying how impressive this speaker sounds. And for the most part, I would have to agree. Now, guys, there is one thing that I have to be completely honest with you about here, and that's that this speaker is suffering from an audio delay. So if you plan on watching video with this speaker, it's going to be a big O no-go, man. We've seen this in the past with a few headphones, but I don't know what these companies are doing, but they need to sort it out. It's not that big of a deal on a Bluetooth speaker as much as it is headphones, at least for me, but it's still a big negative, man. Pros: good sound, long battery life, nice design, water resistant. Cons: micro USB, audio delay. I've really been digging this speaker, man, and I really can't wait to get another one to test out that stereo function. Hey, if you need a inexpensive speaker and you're going to strictly be using it for music playback, this one might be the one for you. And hey, tell you what, if you want to go ahead and check it out, I'll drop a link down in the dipper. Huh? Dipper? It sounds too much like diaper, huh? Tell you what, I'll go ahead and I'll leave a link down in the doobly-doo for you if you want to check it out. Now, hey, if you enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Smack that like button. If you haven't yet, definitely check out some of my content. Consider subscribing. I'd appreciate that greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.